Hi everyone, good morning, good morning. So, can only mean one thing why I am up, dressed, putting makeup on at 7:30 on a Sunday morning. I'm on call. So this is my first on call back since I was poorly last year. So if my phone rings, I gotta go. Literally, if my phone rings, I just literally have to abandon what I'm doing and go, morning Sarah, morning Rachel. Rachel, I may see you in a little while, or I may not. Hi Jackie. So I'm going to use this month's kudos. So BB cream, finishing powder, and you get a mask as well. So it basically means you get this free. Amazing. So I'm gonna just take, hopefully not, I know Rachel, but I thought I better get up. It's 7:30. If the phone rings, I come in with half my face done. I thought, God, I better make myself look a little bit presentable in case a poor patient's having a heart attack. Right, so I've already put some moisturiser on and I'm just going to put on a little bit of BB cream. So this is honey and it is just amazing. It is amazing. It is a multi-functional hydrating cream and it is a light to medium coverage. So it literally, it's more than a, what do you call it? I'm half asleep. It's more than a tinted moisturiser, but not as much as as a foundation. But I love the finish. I love the feel. And it's so good for this time of the year. It still lets your skin breathe. But it's lovely. Good morning, Tracy. How are you? I am up. I've been awake since, I don't know, whatever time. I'm not sleeping very well still because my tooth is still hurting. But it's my first on call back on since I was poorly. So basically means that if, look at that, I love this coverage. It's so nice, it's so nice. And actually you don't even need anything else. I just love it, absolutely love it. So while that's just settling into my face, I'm going to just do something with my brows. Because no patient needs to be seeing my brows like this when they're having a heart attack. Being awake with the birds. I know, it's such a beautiful day here in Norfolk. Yesterday it pissed down all day long. Literally all day. I was like, this is hellish. And we've got loads to do in the house. Hi Debbie, how are you today? Today is a new day. I saw a thing, it's a new day, it's a new dawn, it's a new life for me. And I'm doing good. Right, you can tell that my tooth is starting to feel better, can't you? It's still sore, but oh hell, that throbbing pain up here has started to be relieved by the antibiotics. Thank God. Now, excuse the state of my eyebrows, but they are not twins, they are sisters, and they're hellish at the moment. But I haven't had a chance to go and get them done. But I will at some point. Feeling good, thanks, and it's a beautiful morning. Isn't it just a beautiful morning? It is a beautiful day in Norfolk. I'm going to hopefully, all being well if I don't get cold, get into my garden today and get it looking a little bit more ship shape for the summer. Now, if you don't do anything with your brows, ladies, honestly, you should, because it just shapes your face. It literally shapes your eyes and it gives them definition. Now, I'm not doing a lot of crazy makeup today. All I'm doing is I've moisturised. I'm literally going to put on some BB cream, which I've done. Do my brows, a bit of mascara. And then I'm going to use our amazing finishing powder and probably a bit of bronzer or blusher, because I just can't get enough of it this time of the year. I love it. Right, brows, I'm not doing a lot, just a little. There. Now, that stuff, oh my God, that brow palette is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Right, a little bit of bronzer. Bronzer, I have Hermosa. Now, you can use this bronzer for all sorts. You can use it for your eyes. I've even used it on my lips and then used a lip gloss. You can use it on your body. Tempted to contour a six-pack on my body using contouring and bronzing. And that's that. So now I'm going to take a little bit of one of my favourite eyeliners, which is Presumptuous. It's like a petrol bluey kind of colour. Can you see that? I love it. And these are waterproof. And I'm literally going on the inside. Here's just a little top tip for you. Before you put your mascara on, take a darker eyeliner, whichever colour you're using, black, brown, petrol blue, anything, and just put it on the outer half on your upper lid, and it will literally open up the eye, make it look wider. Before you put your mascara on. Here's a wee top tip for you. Right, let's get a bit of 4D. It's all about the 4D. Now I'm going to zoom in to show you if I can. Right, I'm sorry for the closeness, but you can see that I've got no lashes, right? So this 4D is infused with little Y-shaped fibres, that you can see that colour better. And it's so nice. It doesn't come off. It's such a wonderful, wonderful colour. Now, this mascara takes time and a little bit of respect for it, because I've realised that you can't just whack it on. So no lashes, as you can see. So you need to start very, very gently. Wipe the excess off. And I start literally, wait till I move my hair out of the way. I start literally being so gentle. God, I sound croaky. I've only had one coffee, that's why. Now, these fibres are infused in the gel. Not like our previous 3D lashes, where you used to have to use two different gel fibres gel. This is all in one, so it's so much easier. But you need to be really light on your hand, because if you go in too quick, too heavy, it will look clumpy. You need to just take your time with this mascara. This is where I don't want the phone to ring. And then I have to go in with one eyelash done. Could you imagine? Now, you do not want to double dip your wand back into the brush. Double dip your wand back into the, the tube. You just want to literally wiggle it from the base of your lashes, or lack of lashes in my case, and just build up. Now, I adore this mascara, but it's taken me a little bit of time to work it to the best of my non-lashes, and I've realised that you need to take it really, really lightly to start with and then build it up, because otherwise you'll put it on, it'll be too heavy to start with and it won't build. But that's another little tip for you. Jake said he will come and make you another coffee. Oh, Jake, you're a good boy. Milk, no sugar. Sweet enough, darling. Sweet enough. Now. Look at this. So I've gone from no lashes to lashes. Look at that. It's amazing mascara. So if you've not tried it and you want to get your hands on some, then just comment 4D and I will hook you up, because this stuff is unbelievable. Look at that. I'm going to actually lift the phone up so you can see the difference. Because I've got no lashes. Like, my lashes are really blonde and really blonde and really fair. So this actually is a godsend for me. Now, I've still not put it back into the brush. Why do I keep saying that? Putting it back into the tube. No double dipping here in this house. And literally, no one would know that I have got no lashes. I love this mascara. Literally love it. I wouldn't normally put it on a Sunday, but I thought, why not? Look at that. Now that's just one little coat of the 4D. So I'm now going to put that back in, give it a swirl around, and then take it out again, and I'm wiping the excess off the end. I've realised that is the best way to make the most of your 4D lashes. Right, so that's one coat, and you could build it up, ladies. You could add more. So be gentle. You got to be gentle. Look, no lashes, right? And I am literally not going to the root. I am literally, and my internet's crap in here. It's because I'm in my bedroom. So you literally just starting to just gently build it. Hold on, I just wipe this a little bit on the end there. There we go, look at this. Hello, lashes. I'm telling you, lashes make everything better. And this stuff is water resistant. It's not waterproof. Oh my God, my eyebrows are terrible. It's not waterproof, it's water resistant. It is shamazing. And it will give you, like, I've got no lashes, right? None. So if you've got any lashes at all, like, this stuff is just going to blow your mind. Rachel, when's Jake coming round with my coffee? Dan's still in bed. The kids are up. Now I'm going to go make them pancakes. Because I didn't make them yesterday. Because I felt rough because of my mouth. And we were rushing to get to Lucy's dancing. So I have not put this brush back in the tube, except to do my other eye. This mascara will last you as long as you look after it. Do not pump loads of air into the tube, and do not keep double dipping, because that adds bacteria and air, which will dry out your product. Thank you, Jake. Right, so we're just putting a little bit on the bottom lash. Who else has got a mascara face? Like that. Right. Little bit of mascara. 4D. It's bloody brilliant stuff. It really is. So good. Done it again, Younique. Done it again. Woocha! Look at that. So that is one easy, simple, quick coat of the 4D. Good morning, Sarah. How are you? Hi, Samantha. How are you? Oh my God, I love it. I absolutely love this mascara. Right, so I'm literally just going to press it up. Oh, my neighbour's out. He's up early. Can you hear him in his garden? Look at that. My mascara is good to go. So once that is settled, then what I'm going to do is put on some of our setting finishing powder. Now, this stuff is a must-have for summer. It comes in 4 shades. It comes in light, which is this one, and it's more transparent. It comes in medium. It comes in dark, and it comes in deep. Now, it is 25 protection SPF, so you will be able to protect your skin from sun damage, which is not what you want, ladies. Literally, you should all be protecting your face. Now, it comes with its own little tube, own little brush, and when you pull it down, the applicator for it to be pumped up into the brush comes out. See, so as you can see, there's nothing in the tube, and then this little thing comes down, and that will then get all your powder out. So all you want to do is literally start blending it in. And it will literally set your makeup. It is a must-have for your makeup bag. It will literally, so you can see it coming out. See it now? It will literally set your makeup while protecting your skin from sun damage. And also, if you get a midday sheen on your face, you can just pop this on. It will literally touch up your makeup, reset it, and make you look fabulous. And the brush is amazing. And it comes with its own brush. So that's just super, super convenient. Oh, Sarah, I'm glad that you like it. So yours came because you hadn't tried it, had you? So this is light. Now, I would pretty much recommend light for most people. Only being it's more transparent. And then you can also, if you want, use it on the kids. Because my kids, I don't know about you, blooming hate getting sun cream on. They literally kick off. So I can just rub a little bit of this on their face. You know, if it's not too hot, because I normally use 50, but this will literally protect them as well. So it's not just for me, it's for the kids as well, but it's a medium protection. It's a medium protection, and it's got 25 SPF protection. Amazing. Now, lippy. A little bit of lipstick. Why not? Why not? Actually, I might put on a lip stain. Because then I don't have to worry about my lips coming off. These lip stains, oh my God, I love them. I think we'll go with a skittish too bright for a Sunday morning. Can't use sensational, that is mega bright. Oh, my favourite, serendipitous. Serendipitous. These as you can tell, half of it's empty. These lip stains don't come off. You just need to make sure that you wipe your, just get a cloth and wipe your lips before you put your lip stains on. These are gorgeous and they do not move. Do not move. But they don't dry your lips either. So this is, it's not pink, it's not purple. It's kind of an in-between colour, but I love it. And obviously they come in brighter colours as well. But once that's dry, I'll literally put another little coat on and then we are good to go. I'm just going to straighten my hair a little bit. a mess. But, you know, we've not been called, so it's all good in the hood. So we'll just give her hair a little bit of a straighten. Now, you should always protect your hair, ladies. Always protect your hair. I've just used this stuff. It's really good. It's Got to Be Guardian Angel. Got to Be Guardian Angel by whatever their make is. It's brilliant. And it protects up to 220 degrees heat. Now, you should always protect your hair from the heat because it keeps your colour in. I've only got these set to 160. They're rubbish. I hate these straighteners. But my GHDs have died and I'm going to get some Cloud 9s because you can change the heat setting, which is more important now than anything because I don't want my hair to dry out. Especially now I've just had it coloured. I want to keep my colour, keep the ashiness in. So I'll be using, I've got this beautiful purple, purpley bluey shampoo, which is just amazing. And I'm literally just running these through at a low heat. You just got to do it a bit slower, but you'll still get the effect that you want. But I need to get myself some new straighteners because I hate these ones. And the only reason I don't like them is they're Tony and Guy, right? But do you know what's annoying about them? Where you hold it is where the heat volume is. So I'm turning them up or down. I don't even realise I'm doing it or switching them off. Because look, that's where I hold them. And I'm forever touching the, the controls. And I don't mean to. Right. My hair will be going up anyway, if I get called in. But it's just so that I don't look like very scaly patients. So to reiterate, this month's kudos, we have any mask. So there's 4 to choose from. There is the oil control. There is the exfoliating. There's the black perfecting, which I just love for that fizzle. The black perfecting. And there is the gold brightening peelable mask. They all do different things. They all do things from either exfoliating your skin to make it look more youthful, to controlling the pores, your oils, fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin look more youthful. There really is a mask for everyone in this collection. And you then get any BB cream. That'll do my hair. Can't be bothered doing it. Any BB cream. Let me just switch them off. That'll do. My hair's gone up anyway. So you get any BB cream. They come in 6 shades. Here is the 3 lightest, which I adore. And we're going to put them on my hand to show you. So this is cream, which is the lightest. And then next to it is bisque. Now bisque is my colour that I use in the winter. And then honey is the next one up that I use. But I might actually have to go to caramel, which is the next one up. But I've used honey today, which is the third one up. So as you can see, these colours here. So I'll just wipe that off. So that's cream, the lightest, the very lightest. I sometimes use that for highlighting under my eyes if I just want to get moisture into my skin. So this is cream, this is bisque, and this is honey. And then there's caramel and 2 others as well. And they are just gorgeous. They are a multitasking, hydrating cream, which will literally just boost your face full of moisture, whilst giving you a natural sort of light to medium coverage, and making your skin feel absolutely amazing. Like, just feels like you're chucking water at it. It's so good, but you will get the protection that you need. I've got it on today. I've got honey on today, and it's so nice. My freckles are still through, but my flaws you can't see. My redness and bits and bobs have been covered. So that is the 3 lightest shades, and these are my most popular shades. So if you need colour matching, please just drop me a shade in the comments. And then the third product that you get with this month's kudos is the finishing powder. Now, like I said a minute ago, it comes in 4 shades. So you can choose light, which is this one, light, medium, dark and deep. It comes with its own little brush, and it's got SPF 25 protection. And it is a must-have for your handbag this summer to protect your skin, ladies. We should all be doing whatever we can to protect our skin. So this, just pop in your handbag. It does so many things. It will set your makeup. It will protect your face from the sun. You can put it on your shoulders. It will help eliminise midday shine. You know, we get it if you've got oily skin, you know, or an oily T-zone. It will literally help eliminise that. You just take this, put it a little bit more on throughout the day, happy days. So you get to choose either 1 of 4 masks, 1 of 6 BB creams, and 1 of 4 finishing powders. And the saving is 30%, which is amazing, literally amazing, just in June, and it is limited. So if you want to get your hands on this fabulous kudos collection, these 2 plus a mask, let me know. It basically works out that you're getting one of these free. Like, how amazing is that? I'm all about value for my customers. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of my lip stain because it matches my t-shirt. Serendipitous. Now these lip stains will literally stay on for hours. So you can kiss your kids, you can kiss your wine glass, your coffee mug, and it does not come off. And that's what I love about them. It will literally not move. Once it's on, that's it. It stays on, but it doesn't dry out your lips. And that is what is so good about it. I sometimes take, I've always got my lip bonbons, which is my conditioning lip balms, in my bag. And I will just add a little bit over, just to keep, because it's a subtle colour, just to keep a colour going in my lips. So I'm going to wipe this off my hand. And where's my wipe? Wipe this off my hand. And as you can see, I've just wiped this off my hand and I can't get the eyeliner off. It is literally waterproof. It does not come off. So I'll have to go and wash it with hot soapy water. These eyeliners are unbelievable, and I've literally just put it on the outer aspects of these parts of my eyes. Can you see? You probably can't see, but it just makes a difference when you're putting your mascara on. It makes your lashes look deeper at the ends, at the base, which will literally lift them up. It's a little top tip. So you can use any darker eyeliner. So that is this month's kudos, ladies. I've also got the stick foundations, which are going down an absolute storm. The coverage on them is unflippin' believable. I'll see if I can show you how immense the coverage is. Now, this is velour, and I will literally cover that over. Look at that. These are a full coverage, immense, and you will literally buff it in with the kabuki brush or your own kabuki brush, but your brush needs to be soft on the end but dense. It needs to be packed in well, because all you're doing is buffing it in. You're not rubbing it in, you're just buffing it into your skin. These are fabulous for people with larger pores. So if you've got larger pores, this stuff is a game changer, literally a game changer, and you're literally just buffing it in. Look, amazing. So that is the, I still cannot get that off my hand. Trying to rub off that eyeliner. I've managed to do it. I've got a spray here. I use my spray and it'll come off. There we go. So yeah, the stick foundation is going down a storm. So if you want to get your hands on the stick foundation, just drop me a comment, shades or stick, in the comments, and I will be in touch to get that sorted for you at some point today. So that's it. One more thing. There's new products coming out on Tuesday, and they are our summer collection. Now, ladies, you're going to have to act fast if you want these. They are limited edition. They are phenomenal. They are all, oh my God, I can't even get my head around it. Basically, for summer, for any woman that has hot flushes, any woman that gets hot and bothered, these products are for you. They all contain a chilling factor in them. They all contain the ability to keep your skin cool. Yes, you heard me. So there is a primer and powder together in one, and it has a sponge. You can either use the sponge or you can use the brush. Then there is 3 powders. There is a blusher, a bronzer, and a highlighter. And then there is, wait for it, lip butters. Oh my God, lip butters. These are the most gorgeous products ever. They contain so many fabulous ingredients. There's 5 to choose from. There's like a summery red, summery pink, summery coral, a lighter nude, and a clear. Now you could use them with our lip pencils. For example, the lighter colours, you could put your lip pencil on and then put it over it. They contain shea butter, coconut oils. Oh my God, they are just insane. And people who've managed to get their hands on it on our product panel are saying that these lip butters are just something else. And they are so moisturising for your lips for summer. And it's like a... it's kind of like this, but it's obviously a smaller, like a chunky pencil, and then you literally just draw it on your lips. So they come out on Tuesday. Now there is a bundle that you can choose, and the value for that is unflippin' believable. You can choose the setting powder primer, the 2 brushes, 2 brand new brushes that have come out with this collection. You can choose any blusher, bronzer or highlighter powder to use with your brush, and any lip butter, and it works out that you get your brushes for free. And these brushes you'll be able to use for so many other products. They're unbelievable. This bundle is only 71 quid. Like, oh my God, shoot me now. So on Tuesday, I am going to be ordering. So ladies, I'm going to be putting some pictures up today, throughout the day, so that for today and tomorrow and Tuesday before launch. But they are limited edition. They are limited edition, and once they're gone, they are gone. Literally. Younique placed the order when they started developing it. They placed the order last winter. Now Younique has pretty much doubled in size since last summer, since last winter. So, and it's too late to change the order. So it's gonna sell out quick. It's gonna sell out quick, and I need these products in my life, and so do you. Because imagine if you're on holiday, right, and I'll give you an example. I am a hot tatty, right? And you know that way when you go on holiday and you're trying to get ready for a night out, and you've been in the shower, you've put your after sun on that's making you all hot, sticky and bothered. You're trying to blow dry your hair, and it's pigeon glass. You're trying to blow dry your hair. It's too hot. The air conditioner isn't working as well as it should do, and you can't cool down. And then you think, right, I need to get my makeup on. That ain't gonna happen. It just runs off your face, doesn't it? Well, these products have a chilling ingredient in them. So the powder will set, so you can use it as a primer and a powder. So you can literally buff it into your face, and it will set your makeup and cool your face down. Oh my God. Where is all my menopausal women? Where is all my young 20-somethings that go out and it's too hot to go out and they're trying to get ready and they're all sweaty and they want to look beautiful? Honestly, these products are for every age group, from the young 20-somethings to the older women. honestly. And in between that, you've got the crazy 30s, the nutty 40s, the menopausal 50s, and then the maturer lady after that. These products are for everyone. They are unbelievable, and they have a chilling factor. So I'm going to put some pictures up. So if you want more information, please let me know and get in touch before Monday, because they are going to go crazy on Tuesday when they go live on our websites, and they're available for everyone worldwide. So they're not going to be around for long. But let's see how many of my customers I can get their hands on it for them. So I think that is my little Sunday morning chit chat. If you would like any more information on any of the products that I've put on today, just a very simple Sunday face with the kudos and the... thought that was my work. It was just the girls wanting to do my heart went there. My phone started ringing. I thought, oh, I'm off to hospital. Anyway, back to my life. So, that makes your heart go when your phone rings. You think, oh God, PPCI. Anyway, forgot what I was saying now. Yeah, so if you want any more information on these products, then you need to get in touch with me today so that I can tell you some more information. And also, if you would like to be colour matched for any of our products, let me know. Just comment shade. And if you would like more information on what we do as a company and you're thinking, actually, I'd quite like to join you, I'd like more information first. I'd like to earn myself some extra money by just literally sitting in front of your phone, putting on some makeup, showing people what you love, and then you can earn some money from that. It's unbelievable. We get paid to play with makeup. How cool is that? So if you would like more information, there's bloody pigeons in my garden. I don't like pigeons. If you would like more information on what we do, just comment kit in the comments, and I will get back to you at some point today, because the kit at this very moment is amazing, and it also includes the 4D lashes, and it is the best time to join, because Younique have just announced that anyone who orders the kit and joins in June, you get £16 worth of Y credit credited to your account straight away, so that you can put it towards your first order as a thank you from them. How amazing is that? So if you live in any of the countries that we work out of, which are America, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, Hong Kong, Portugal, France, Italy, Germany, Mexico, UK, obviously, Ireland, Spain, but we will be launching in Belgium in the summer as well. So if you live in any of those countries and you would like more information, then we can hook you up and you can join my team, and we can work together and be amazing and have a fabulous time and have fun. So if you like what you see, give me some love, and have a wonderful day, whatever you're doing. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.